everybody. West Shore here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Airsoft mp-40. Let's get this from... Why don't I set this at a different angle? Yeah, that's good. Hoping it came with some ammo as well. Oh, bless me. Having to sneeze all day. Okay. Dang. Boom. Here it is. Dang, I believe it is. I think I ordered it a couple not too long ago. Okay, so there's different types of mp-40s that are here. There's mp-40, mp-40G, mp-40L, and mp-40GL. I don't even know if those are real things, but we'll see. I'll probably look it up. Or I'll just look through my World War II history book and see what their weapons were. Used in 40 at all. Oh. Dang. Oh, here it is. Oh yeah, this is an mp-40, never mind, it has a stock, it's not mp-39. Some ammo that came with it. Pretty sure that's 6M. Oh, it only came with one mag, dang it. Now I will have to check the assembly instructions, so we'll see how we put this together. Here we go. I think these are needed. Okay. Oh, I gotta do this. It's pretty cool. I'm glad I finally got this. I'll put it. Oh no, I can't. Hold up. Oh, okay, sorry. There. Alright, now, whoa, just set this camera right here. See how I put this together. And I will, when I edit this video, I will put the link in the description for this mp-40 if it's not out of stock already. Okay, let's see. One. Oh, I already know how to handle an airsoft gun. Don't point it at yourself. Don't point it at other people unless you're doing like an airsoft battle. And yeah. Oh, that's how I put it together. My nose is pretty stuffy today, I don't know why. Now let's see, so put this together, oh, here's the manual. Alright, so here's the instructions on how you put this together if you have one as well. And let's see, so I'm gonna set it this way like in the actual image. So when I don't like, oh wait, set the barrel on the corresponding order and the faucets as the diagram says. Okay. So how's this piece? Wait, hold up. Oh, that's how, okay, never mind. Let's see, so we put this on right there. Put the little nozzle on. Then slide this right on. Yeah, please don't call me a Nazi in the comment section. It's just the World War II Nazi weapons on e-bike are the Airsoft Nazi weapons online are a lot cheaper than the American ones. Trust me on that. And then slide this in and then whoops. There it is. Put that right there. And boom, there we go. Alright. Now attach this. Oh dang, how am I supposed to tie this? How am I supposed to tie this on? Let's see. I think I need the tight piece. In through the little hole. And then bop. Done with that part. Now let's put this in the same way. I honestly don't know how to tie things like this. I know how to tie my shoelaces, but not this. And boom. No, I'm not really sure what to do with these little pieces right here, as you can see. The camera zoomed in. Okay, good. Make sure the camera's not zoomed in. I don't really know what to do with these little bracket pieces, but oh! So I can adjust this if I want to. Never mind, hold up. Well, I just made a big oopsie. Right, I'm just gonna put this right through there. And then come through here. And through there. Screw it, I'll just tighten it like that. I actually don't really need these, so never mind. Oh no. It's just... Well, now I gotta look up a video on how to untie this. Wait, never mind. Yeah, but the strap is optional. You don't have to have this on, but all the other parts, I'm pretty sure you need to put these on, so yeah. I'll save this strap somewhere where I won't lose it. Which I pretty much lose everything in my house. Okay. Here we go. Some of it. Get that foam out. Don't want that going through. And oh, I need to see how to reload this. How to reload this. Oh, that's how. So, to reload the weapon, you need to click this. You can't really see it, but there's like a tiny button right here. Not this one, but this big one isn't even a button. This small one is. Click that, and then should put it in. Maybe I. Oh, I was doing it wrong. Oh. There we go. here it is. Well, I'll be doing a reloading video in a minute, so yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye.